Hi, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all of those things all rolled up into one. I wanted to create this video to show a walkthrough of an album that I created for my parents. Now, I really created this video for my parents as well so that they could since I have to send it to them and I can't walk them through it and the album's already finished and I don't have another one here, I can't walk through it with them, and I want them to see all the fun and fancy things that I created for them. So Mom and Dad, if you're watching this, Merry Christmas. And what I want you to do right now is I want you to open the box and take out the album. Okay, now that you're back, here's the album. And I created this with some digital papers from Antique Paperie and some digitals that I created myself. So this is the front, the spine, which may actually change before it gets sent down to my parents, and here is the back. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a look at the cover. Now this comes out and it says "Believe in the Magic," and then it's just got pretty papers front and back, and it flips down. And there's a space for a photo here if you want to put a photo. And then this is just for journaling, some paper that you may want to write notes on. And then a photo can go here if you'd like. And this tucks right into this spot right here. And then this flap opens up. And behind here, there are 2 photos that you can add here. And then these photos are actually just loose. You can add big photos here. And then on the other side, you can journal, or they're just pretty. Okay, so that's the front. It closes with magnets, so you don't have to worry about this flopping all over the place. It actually closes and it will stay closed. So we're going to go inside the album, and in the front cover, there is a little tuck spot again, making spirits bright. On the back are places for 2 photos. And on the inside, here is something if you want to add a little keepsake. And then inside, there are some items. There are some extra photo mats, pretty little what they call ATC cards that I've put a photo mat on the back. There are little envelopes where you can put little keepsakes, a couple of bookmarks, some extra paper, and then on the back you can actually add another photo here if you wanted to put photos. Now you can also, if you want, you can add photos here and some journaling. It's entirely up to you. And that's in the inside cover. Now if you come over here, you'll see that this is a nice little file folder, and inside I have put some items that you may want to add to your album, just bits and pieces, things that I had left over, and things that I thought you might want to use for the album as you go forward. So now we're going to come over here to page 1. Oh, let's put this little guy back. Okay, so what we have here is page 1. And what I have done is I have added some extra pieces of ephemera and little Christmas sayings. They're all in here. the ones that I didn't use, they've been like little photo mats and little sayings that I didn't use. They've all been inked and they're ready to go. But those don't have to stay in there. That's just something that I added. And then we have photo mats, we have bookmarks, we have special little cards for folks that want to, like Dad, I know you like to write. There's a little place here for writing notes and for journaling. If you wanted to take this out of the album and use it, you certainly can, because when you're done with the paper, you can always add photos here if you want. And on the back, you just take this out and you can have like a hidden note or photos that you may want to add to this as well. And this goes in here. And then this flips down, and you can add a little photo here. And then this is just a cute little place to add a couple of large photos and a small photo. And then this is kept in place because it's loose. This is kept in place with magnets. Okay? So I know that you want a place for a lot of photos, so what you do here is you open this up, and there's places for 4 large photos here. And then we're going to turn the page, and I just loved this image, so I left it alone. You could probably put a photo here if you wanted to, but there are photos here. And then inside is a little folder that you can take out. It's held closed with a little mini clip. And then inside are some more extra items for the album or for anything that you may want to use them for. On the back, there's a place for a photo. It tucks right in here. This is kept closed with the little pin, the little clip. And then it slides right into this little pocket here. You flip this over, 2 more nice places for photos, and then this beautiful image. Again, you can put another photo here, but you don't have to. And then over here, this opens up. It closes with magnets so it won't flop open. And then inside is a belly band, and inside this belly band there's a couple more of these little flip open sections where I've added some extra photo mats for you guys. And there's a place for a photo on the back. And then here again is a place for journaling and writing, and 2 photos on the back. And these slide right up underneath here into this area, and then this closes with magnets. Now, because I know you guys like lots of photos, you flip this open, there's places for 4 more photos right here. Now, as we move on to the second half of this album, it's basically the same kind of thing. Okay, it works the same way. I've added again extra words and Christmas sayings that you can use to put on top of different photos like what I had done. And then there are some more here so that you can add a little extra to your photos without having to go crazy. And then here's a little place for little keepsakes, bookmarks, and then this is for a big photo. You can put a photo here if you want. journaling or taking notes, and it's the same here. This comes out and you can put photos on this, or you can journal and talk about whatever you want to talk about on that. And it's not immediately visible unless you want it to be. Again, this folds down. And you can have a photo here. This is loose with two large photos here. And it's held in place with a magnet. Again, 4 photos here. And then again, this is just really pretty. I didn't cover it up. A photo can go here. I added one of the little sayings here. This is held closed with a little binder clip, and then inside there are some of the extras, like what I had done over on the other side. And on this, in the back, this comes out, and this is a place for a photo and journaling, or you can add a photo on the other side as well. And you can hold this closed with this little binder clip. This goes in here. Just for you from Santa, with a place for a photo. This is blank. Again, you could put a photo up here if you want. And this is the same thing. This opens up. You have extras in here. Photo goes on the back. Journaling, writing paper here. This is what they call coffee stained paper. It looks like this on purpose. And it's with the theme of the vintage look. And then here's a place where you can put a photo on the back. This paper has been foiled. I foiled this paper myself. And then this closes with magnets. And then here, places for a lot of photos here. And that is Boo Boo saying hello. That is my bird. Over here we have the back cover, which has a nice little pocket full of goodies. Again, you can place a photo here after you use all the goodies. And on the back, 2 more photo mats. There's that beautiful bird again. So we're going to put this, slide this right in here. And again, in the back, there are nice little things that you can add to the album or to anywhere. These are cute because they are cute little photos or images on the front, and then they are photo mats on the back. So lots of things. And then, as I believe I showed you, this is the back cover. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If this is Mom and Dad, I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you are watching this on my YouTube channel and you just are watching it for how I made this album, I made this album with JenofEve's Amazing Foundations and Amazing Foundations Charming Add-on, and the Foundations Photo Mat Add-on. The papers that I used were from Antique Paperie, and the actual names of those will be listed down below in the description. Thank you so much.